your GK teacher. My name is Mrs. Jyoti. So we are in lesson number 6. Okay, that is cities and rivers. Lesson number 6, cities and rivers. So before starting, keep your term book ready, your pencil ready, and open page number 433. Page number 433. Yes, so in this lesson we are going to learn about the main cities, the rivers which are flowing in that, okay, and in which state it is located. Okay, like if Hyderabad is there, Hyderabad, and then it is located in Telangana. So what is the main river in Telangana? That we are going to learn. Okay, mostly we have Musi river here. Yes. We don't have any huge rivers here. So, but in other states, we have few rivers flowing. So, we are going to learn about that. Then, here you have a warm up. You can see, name the river basins in India. Okay, what are the main rivers? Okay, the main rivers which are flowing from the northern side. So, those are called as river basins. So, these rivers only they split and again they are given another name. They split and they are given into another name. So what are the main rivers which are flowing that we have to write. So I am writing on the board. This answers you can write it. So Ganga basin, okay, the first one you can write it as Ganga basin. Then Sutlej basin, Sutlej basin, and third one Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra basin. Okay, if you see here, so Ganga basin, this river is going to split into parts and again they are going to flow into another river. Okay, so such type of huge rivers we call it as basins. So in that way we have total 3. Ganga basin, Sutlej basin and Brahmaputra basin. So these are the answers for warm up. Okay. The next. So here total we have 15 questions. Okay. Total 15 cities we have, and beside that you have the 15 rivers, and then beside that you have 15 states. Okay. So what I am going to do, just I am going to write like this, like first one is there. Okay, for the first one I am going to write C and 2. In this way I am going to write the answers. So first one is Agra. So answers are C and 2. So what is C? C is Yamuna. C is Yamuna. And number 2 is under state. So number 2 is Uttar Pradesh. So Agra belongs to Uttar Pradesh, and which river is going to flow? Yamuna is going to flow. So in this way I am going to write the answers. I am not going to match it with lines. Okay. So in this way I am going to write the answers. You can check it and write. Okay. So first one is Agra, and the river flowing is Yamuna. The river flowing is Yamuna, and the state is Uttar Pradesh. That is C2. Okay, you can write the letters like C, comma 2. So these are the Roman numerals, short form of Roman numerals. Okay. The next second one is Ahmedabad. Second one is Ahmedabad. So here Sabarmati is going to flow. Sabarmati. The second one is E. Okay. Ahmedabad, Sabarmati, and number 1, that is Gujarat. So Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat. It's located in Gujarat. The next one is Varanasi. Okay. So the answer for Varanasi is F. Third one is F. Okay. F, that is Ganga. And the answer in which state it is? That is XIV. So XIV is Uttar Pradesh. So in Uttar Pradesh we have 2, that is Agra and Varanasi, and 2 rivers are going to flow, that is Yamuna and Ganga. Okay. The next one is Kolkata. Fourth one is Kolkata. So here in Kolkata we have Hooghly River and it is A. Hooghly River and it is in West Bengal, that is VI. Okay, it's VI. Kolkata is situated in West Bengal and Hooghly River is going to flow here. The next, Cuttack. Fifth one is Cuttack. So here the answers are H and 3. H and 3. So Cuttack is situated in Odisha. Cuttack is situated in Odisha and the river flowing here is Mahanadi. It is Mahanadi. Mahanadi is a place and Mahanadi is a river. Okay, so fifth answer is H and 3. The next, Guwahati. So here sixth one is Guwahati and the answers are B and 7. That is VII. So Guwahati is situated in Assam. Guwahati is situated in Assam and the river flowing here is Brahmaputra. Yes, the river flowing here is Brahmaputra. Then next one. The seventh one is Vijayawada. Seventh one is Vijayawada. So here the answers are I and V. I and V. So it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada is located in Andhra Pradesh and the river flowing here is Krishna. The river flowing here is Krishna. The next, eighth one. The eighth one answers are J and IX. So here the eighth one is Kota. So this Kota is located in Rajasthan. Kota is located in Rajasthan and the river flowing here is Chambal. Okay, the river flowing here is Chambal. So there is a name of a place Chambal also over there. Okay, so here it is in Chambal, it is in Rajasthan and the river flowing here is Chambal. Then next, ninth one. Okay, ninth one is Nasik. So here the answers are D and X. D and X. That is, so Nasik is located in Maharashtra. The state is Maharashtra and the river flowing here is Godavari. The river flowing here is Godavari. Then 10th one is Srinagar. The 10th one is Srinagar. So here the answers are G and H. G and H. So Srinagar, it is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is located in Jammu and Kashmir and the river flowing here is Jhelum. The river flowing here is Jhelum. Okay, the next 11th one is. So 11th one is Tiruchirappalli. It is Tiruchirappalli. So here the answers are L and X, I. That is 13. Okay, so the 11th one answers are L and X, I. So here Tiruchirappalli, it is located in Tamil Nadu. Tiruchirappalli is located in Tamil Nadu and the river flowing here is Kaveri. It is Kaveri. Then 12th one is Surat. The 12th one is Surat and the answers are M, X, I. The answers are M, X, I. So Surat, it is located in Gujarat. Surat is located in Gujarat and the river flowing here is Tapi. The river flowing here is Tapi. Surat is located in Gujarat and the river flowing is Tapi. The next one is Ranchi. 13th one is Ranchi. The answers here are K, comma, X, I, I. K, X, I. So here Ranchi, it is located in Jharkhand. Ranchi is located in Jharkhand and the river flowing here is Subarnarekha. It is Subarnarekha. Okay, not Subarnarekha, Subarnarekha. So it is located in Jharkhand and the river flowing here is Subarnarekha. The next 14th one is Lucknow. 14th one is Lucknow and the answers are O, comma, X, I, V. Okay, X, I, V means 14. So Lucknow, it is located in Uttar Pradesh. It's located in Uttar Pradesh and the river flowing here is Gomti. The river flowing here is Gomti. Okay, so total 3 Uttar Pradesh we have here. Yes. The next is Jabalpur. The 15th one is Jabalpur. So here the answers are N and X, V. N, comma, X, V. So here it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Jabalpur is located in Madhya Pradesh and the river flowing here is Narmada. Okay, the river flowing here is Narmada. Okay, so these are the answers. Once again I am going to repeat. Okay, so lesson number 6, that is cities and rivers. So before this you have a warm-up. And the answers for warm-up are Ganga Basin, Satluj Basin and Brahmaputra Basin. Okay. And next, if you see the answers here, the first one is Agra. The answers for Agra are C and 2. That is Yamuna, Uttar Pradesh. Then Ahmedabad, Sabarmati and Gujarat. Ahmedabad, Sabarmati and Gujarat. Then Varanasi, Ganga and Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi is Ganga and Uttar Pradesh. The next one is, so here you can make a small change. The third one, you can write it as 4. Okay, rub the X and write only 4. The next one is Kolkata. The answer for Kolkata is Hooghly and West Bengal. Answer for Kolkata is Hooghly and West Bengal. Then Cuttack. The Cuttack, the answers are Mahanadi and Odisha. Answer for Cuttack are Mahanadi and Odisha. That is H and 3. Then 6th one is Guwahati. The answers are Brahmaputra and Assam. Okay, Guwahati, Brahmaputra, Assam. The next 7th one, Vijayawada, Krishna, Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada, Krishna, Andhra Pradesh. Then Kota. So the answers here are Chambal and Rajasthan. So the 8th one answers are Chambal and Rajasthan. The next one is Nasik. The answers are Godavari and Maharashtra. Godavari and Maharashtra. Then the 10th one, if you see, Srinagar, it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir and the river flowing here is Jhelum. Okay, it is situated in Srinagar and the river flowing here is Jhelum. Check your answers once again, cross check it. Then the 11th one is Tiruchirappalli. The answers are Kaveri and Tamil Nadu. Kaveri and Tamil Nadu. The next one is Surat. It is located in Gujarat and the river flowing here is Tapi. It is located in Gujarat. The river flowing here is Tapi. Then Ranchi. The river flowing here is Sabarnarekha and the answer is Jharkhand. Then Lucknow. The answers are Gomti and Uttar Pradesh. And last one, Jabalpur. The answers are Narmada and Madhya Pradesh. So these are the answers. Your homework is write the states and cities one time in homework book. Okay, so in this lesson total you have 15 states. Okay, in that again cities are mentioned. Okay, and Uttar Pradesh is mentioned 3 times. You can write that Uttar Pradesh and the 3 different cities again. Okay, so to 15 states you have to write and 15 cities you have to write one time in the homework. Okay, so this is about the main cities and rivers of the following states. So hope you all have understood.